You might want to save on storage and want to get rid of duplicate videos on your iPhone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove duplicate videos on iPhone. Without further ado, let's get started. Now, first off, you want to make sure that you are updated to the latest iOS version, so that is iOS 16 and above. So make sure that your device supports it as well. So just go to your settings and check your software update if you are updated to iOS 16 and above. Now, once you have made sure of that, go to the Photos app and scroll down from here. Make sure that you are in the albums page as well. So once you're here, just scroll down. And as you scroll down to the very bottom, if you are in the latest iOS version, you should be able to see the duplicates option under the utilities section. So tap on duplicates and immediately you should be able to scroll through your duplicate photos and duplicate videos as well. Now, if you want to remove duplicate videos on iPhone, just scroll through this list and find those videos. So for example, I have a video right here. Let's just scroll through. So right here, I have duplicate videos right here. So you can click on merge in line with that and click on merge to exact copies. So the selected items are exact copies that may have different metadata, and merging will keep one version of the duplicates that combines the highest quality and relevant data, and move the rest to recently deleted. So it'll basically get rid of the duplicate and have an original one copy on your iPhone. So just click on merge to exact copies and that should remove the duplicate videos on your iPhone.
So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.